Heavily protest in Catalonia as IPOB stand shoulder to shoulder with them in their independent day. Hello, my wonderful people. You are highly welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. May you not forget to give this page a follow. Very, very important. Because if he come tomorrow, may you come watch, you know, see us again because he no follow us. But as you follow us, you will get our update back to back. No be smart, you know. If you know, most of you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, I don't know what you they waiting. We will drop the link below this video on Facebook. So you go click and go subscribe. And when you get there, turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get them before other people. Okay, now my people, we will go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. Things are happening. No be small, you know. They say kata kata and they say water don pass garri. No be small thing. They say IPOB stand shoulder to shoulder with Catalonians as they celebrate their independent day. No be small thing. If you see men gallant for inside Catalonia today, carry their igba, the knack everywhere. Small thing. We go play the video for you to watch. You don't need to talk too much. You go watch the video. Then we'll come back and talk more before we go to the next news. Okay, now.
IPOB, one family, IPOB. All hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. As you can see, today is 11th day of September 2023. We are live at Catalonia. Catalonia Independence Day, we are here live and direct. We are here to celebrate the Independence Day with Catalonia people. They invite us and we are here. We are here. Biafra must, all hail Biafra. We must continue. We must continue. All hail Biafra. Holy, 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 Namika, is another nation. Holy, 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 Namika, is another. Share this broadcast as you are joining me live and direct. Share the broadcast. Live and direct, all hail Biafra. Chineke, we must continue. As you can see, Biafra must come. Nigeria must release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot stop Biafra from coming. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have laid a very big foundation that can never be moved away. The foundation that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu laid can never be moved away. We have gone too far. We have gone too far. Honestly, we have gone too far. Biafra must stop. We are in the land of Catalonia, a beautiful city of Barcelona. Today is the Independence Day, and they invite Biafrans. They invite IPOB under the US, led by HOD. It's a very big occasion. It's a very big celebration day in Catalonia. Biafra must come. It doesn't matter what the enemy does. We must be free. We must be free. We have gone too far. No going back. Biafra or Nigeria will perish. Biafra or Nigeria will die. We must continue. All hail Biafra Umuchineke. Share this broadcast as you are joining me. Share the broadcast.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back as I've watched that video and see how Biafrans are jubilating and celebrating with Catalonia and also singing Holy, Holy Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. And they said a lot of things in this particular video as I've watched that this is IPOB under DOS. They also said that they stand shoulder to shoulder with the Catalonia people, and as you can see, everything is going on here. So we are bringing you this today to watch and leave your own opinion and what you think about this video below. You wish Biafra to invite other international community to celebrate their Independent Day with them also. So if it's your wish that you wish Biafra to invite all international community as well to celebrate with us, write down below, say Biafra must come. He say Biafra must come. He say, okay, my people, now so we say Amo, and I will say Mo bring am, come give you. Our prayer is our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released, and in this course, anybody has his own way of doing things. But what we know is that what we are praying for is IPOB. Whether you are DOSO, you are autopilot, anywhere you belong, our prayer, our goal is one thing: Biafra must surely come. Nnamdi Kanu will be released. That is our prayer. So I wish them well. I wish everyone well. In any form you are fighting this freedom, you are staying in the bush, fighting in the bush, anywhere you are, may God, may Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless you. So we are going to leave it here today for our viewers to hear their opinions on this video. So we are going to update you people shortly about what is happening around the Biafra territory and in Nigeria as well.